Hey, welcome to another episode of Beers, Jacket Barbecue. So today we're on location again. As you saw on a previous video, we're at our buddy's Gary's house. We're going to be doing all gas grill. He has a Weber Silver. We'll probably show you a link at the end of this video for that cook. His Weber Silver looks a whole lot better than mine. They're both 15 years old, and his looks like new. Mine looks like it was hit by a train, but still works. But Gary's, it's a pleasure out here cooking on his grill. So today we're doing tenderloin. So we got 8 nice fillets here. We got requests for 3 mediums and 5 medium rares. So we're going to try to do the reverse sear. They're seasoned with a little bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper. And like I said, we're going to do like a reverse sear. So have the back of the grill turned on low just to get the heat up on the mediums. And then we'll get the medium rares on, and at the end, very end, we'll try to just finish them off hot and fast. So we'll see you on the grill.
Craig, grill's hot. I'm hungry. Let's get grilling.
There you go. All right, so we're going to put them on. Like I said, you can see how nice Gary's grill is taken care of. But we're going to put the 3 mediums on. Going to put them on the back. Thanks, Gary. I have the burners turned down to low. Just want to start to get these things grilling and get them warmed up. We'll show you what happens next. All right, so I just want to check the mediums out real quick. Probably just going to do a quick flip, and then probably another minute I'm going to put the medium rares on to get them cooking. All right, you can see those, they're looking nice. All right, so we're gonna get the medium rares getting warmed up. Some nice big steaks here. Got one thinner one here. I'm actually gonna put that on the back side, keep away from the heat. This is a 3-burner grill, and I got it set up to do the front burners on high, the back 2 are on low. Like I said, just going for the warming up right now. Thank you, Gary. And leave these on for a few minutes, and we'll flip those, and then we'll be coming back for the final sear. All right, gonna check the medium rares. Gonna leave the mediums right where they're at. Like I said, we're just warming everything up right now before we do the final sear. So looking good. All right, be back in another minute or two to flip these over. All right, so everything's been on just about 10 minutes. The medium rares were on for about 6 minutes before I did the mediums. Want to get some readings now, see where we're at. All right, that's only like 65 degrees, so that needs a little bit more time. And the mediums are about 97, so we're going to just go a couple more minutes, and then we're going to sear them off. All right, want to do another reading yet, see where we're at. The mediums are, like I said, are at a perfect temperature right now. Actually, the medium rares are almost right there. Probably going to finish off here around 70 or so. But until we actually sear them, they'll bring up even more. Yep, just going to check the mediums. Yeah, I'm going to flip them over for now. That was the medium rare over there. Going to leave that one sit where it's at. All right, so about a minute ago, I turned all the temperature up to high on everything on the grill. So gonna now check them out, so everything should be searing off pretty nice. All right, leave them go another minute. We'll be back to check them out. All right, so been on just a minute again. I got one in the middle here that's cooking faster, so we're gonna move that to the side, but looks good. And his mediums, I want to say they're about done. We'll be back here and I'm going to check temperatures and pull them off. All right, just going to do a quick reading and then I'm going to be pulling these off because they're looking pretty nice. Yep, that's pretty much done there. Grill is hot. I'm going to check a medium again just to make sure. Yeah. Didn't leave it on long enough to show you exact temperature, but that's because they were getting so done. So I'm going to pull the mediums off here first. Yeah, looking nice.
May have to stack these.
Yeah.
A little morsel.
All righty. We'll cut in one after it sits for about 5 or 6 minutes, and we'll show you how everything looks. As always. All right, so tonight, on location, working with some real nice fillets, working on a Weber silver gas grill. Gary's trying to get out of the shot here right away. We put the 3 mediums on. I had the grill set, the back 2 burners on low and the front burner on high. Put the front ones on for about 6 minutes to warm them up. Put the medium rares on. Left it on probably about 8 to 10 minutes, just kind of turning them, bring them up to temperature. Sear them off at the end for about 1.5 minutes aside. And like I said, season them with a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper. And now we're going to cut it into one, see what we look like. Got a lot on the plate here, but hopefully I can show you what it looks like inside. I think we got a nice medium rare going on here.
Looking good, Craig. Very good.
Yeah, that's actually looking like a real nice medium rare. So tonight, got 8 of us here. As we've mentioned before, MQs, mass quantities. So we have enough steak for everybody. We'll see you next time, but if you like what you're seeing, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, click the little bell, you get notifications when we put something out, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, Gary, for having us.